The rainy season is here and nothing feels more comforting than a warm bowl of congee paired with a delicious side dish. Today I am preparing traditional coastal favorite clams, drumstick and brinjal curry, a semi-gravy dish that's packed with flavor. Let's start by preparing the masala. In a mixie jar, add 1½ cup of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of Ravina's chicken sukka masala. You can use any similar spice blend or prepare a masala the way you would prepare for a chicken curry. So just look here, the masala should not be very fine, slightly coarse is okay. Now next, in a cooking vessel, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So I am using Coco Natural cooking oil which I got from Amanna Mills, Ambagilu, Udupi. So for this I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts to splutter, I am adding 2 sprigs of curry leaves and then 1 big onions chopped, 4 to 5 garlic cloves which are crushed. So fry them until they become soft. Next add the drumstick. Add 3/4 cup of water to cook the drumsticks. Let it cook for 2 minutes and then you can add the brinjal and continue cooking until they become soft. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Now that the brinjals are almost cooked, so you need to cook them a little more. So before that you can add the clams. Add tamarind water 2 tablespoons. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give them a good mix. You can also add the stock that is got after cleaning the mixie and then cook this for again another 2 minutes. I simply cannot describe how delicious this dish in words. The combination of clams, brinjal and flavorful drumstick in this aromatic coconut gravy is something you have to experience. So give this recipe a try and enjoy it with a bowl of hot congee or steamed rice. So don't add any rasam or sambar to the rice. Just mix it with this gravy and have it. It's really delicious. Now finally I am adding the coconut masala and simmer until the curry reaches a rich semi-gravy consistency. The special variety clams which are called 𝒂𝒑 or 𝒑𝒐𝒘𝒅𝒏 in Konkani, it's available in market. Try to use these clams. These are very tasty compared to the other variety. This variety of the clams is easy to open. You can just freeze them when you bring and then put it in the water, the shells open. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Until we meet next time, happy cooking.